Now seventh problem. Here given cot theta equal to 7/8. Given that cot theta equals to 7/8. Now draw a right angle triangle. Right angle P Q R. Here cot theta equals to cot theta equals to, this is adjacent side of theta, opposite side of theta. Now cot means adjacent by opposite. Here from given 7 is adjacent. Next 8 is opposite given. Now what is PQ? Here first you have to find out PQ. According to Pythagoras theorem, PQ equals to under root of base square plus height square, means QR whole square plus PR whole square. Now PQ equals to under root of 7 whole square plus 8 whole square. PQ equals to under root of 7 square, 7 7 the 49 plus 8 8 the 64. So PQ equals to under root of 49 plus 64, 3 1 1 3. Here PQ is under root of 113. Now from this, now sin Q equals to opposite, means PR by PQ. So that equals to PR is 8 by PQ under root of 113, 113. Now again cos Q equals to QR by PQ. So that equals to 7 by under root of 113. Now substitute cos sin Q and cos Q in the given problem. Here 1 plus sin q and 1 minus sin q by 1 plus cos q 1 minus cos q. Now substitute the values here. First you draw the division line. 1 plus sin q 8 by under root of 113 and 1 minus 8 by under root of 113 numerator. Now denominator 1 plus cos q 7 by under root of 113 and 1 minus 7 by under root of 113. Now the numerator is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. Now this is right in the form of a square minus b square, means 1 square plus 8 by under root of 113 whole square. Now here a square minus b square equals to a plus b into a minus b. Here minus 1 square minus 8 by under root of 113 whole square by 1 square minus 7 by under root of 113 whole square. Next here 1 square means 1 minus 8 square 64 by under root of 113 by 1 minus 7 square 7 7 the 49 by under root of 113. Here whole square, keep this like. Now 1 minus 64 by 113 divided by 1 minus 49 by 113. From this 113 minus 64 by 113 divided by 113 minus 49 by 113. Here denominator should be cancelled, 113 by 113. Now that equals to 113 minus 64 equals to 49 by 113 minus 49 equal to 64. So this is the solution of 1 plus sin theta 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus cos theta 1 minus cos theta. Now second bit, same question number 7, second bit 1 plus sin q by cos q. Already from this figure you know sin q equals to opposite by hypotenuse under root of 1 1 3 and cos q equals to adjacent 7 by under root of 113. Now problem, I will write here 1 plus sin q by cos q. Now substituting sin q and cos q in that problem, 1 plus sin q 8 by 8 divided by under root of 113. Now denominator cos q 7 by under root of 113. Now here simplify the numerator. Here root square root of 113 plus 8 divided by under root of 113 numerator. And next denominator 7 by under root of 113. This denominator and this will be cancelled. Now the remaining terms square root of 113 plus 8 by 7. So this is the solution of 1 plus sin theta by cos theta. Okay. Now 8th problem, in right angled triangle ABC, right angle is at B. If tan A equal to root 3, then find the value of sin A cos C plus cos A sin C and cos A cos C minus sin A sin C. Now draw a right angle triangle. You have to draw simple diagram. A B C is a right angle triangle. 90 degrees at B. Now given that tan A equals to root 3, we have to write root 3 by 1. What is the tan ratio of tan? Opposite by adjacent, BC by AB. Here BC given root 3, AB 1. Now first we have to find out hypotenuse. According to Pythagoras theorem, AC equals to under root of AB square, nothing but base square plus height square, BC square. Now AC equals to AB square means 1 square plus BC root 3 whole square. So AC equals to under root of 1 plus 3. Here square and root will be cancelled. Possible? Yes. Now AC equal to under root of 4 is nothing but AC equals to 2. Square means this value is equal to 2. Now this got AC equal to 2. Now write the sign ratio. Sin A equals to opposite by hypotenuse, BC by AC, that equals to root 3 by 2 sin A. Next, cos A. Cos A equals to adjacent AB by hypotenuse AC, that equals to 1 by 2. Now cos here given. Next, sin C. Sin C equals to, just observe here, this is the angle. If you take angle C, AB is opposite, BC is adjacent. Now sin C means opposite, AB, hypotenuse is AC, that equals to 1 by 2 sin C. Cos C. Cos C equals to adjacent BC by hypotenuse AC, that equals to root 3, BC equal to root 3 by AC equal to 2. Now you got sin A, cos A, sin C, cos C. First problem here, sin A cos C plus cos A sin C, cos A sin C. Now substituting the above values in this problem, sin A root 3 by 2 into cos C root 3 by 2, root 3 by 2 plus cos A 1 by 2 into sin C 1 by 2. Now root 3 into root 3 whole square, nothing but 3 by 2 to the 4 plus 1 by 4. So that equal to 3 by 4 and 1 by 4 are like fractions. So you have to add numerators. 4 by 4, 4 1 the 4 1 the, that equal to 1. Therefore sin A cos C plus cos A sin C equals to 1. This is the first problem. Now second problem, I will write here second problem. Cos A cos C minus sin A sin C. So that equals to cos A 1 by 2 into cos c root 3 by 2 minus sin a root 3 by 2 into sin c 1 by 2. Now this root 3 by 2 to the 4 minus root 3 by 4 here plus root 3 by 4 and minus root 3 by 4 will be cancelled, that remaining 0. Here therefore cos a cos c minus sin a sin c equals to 0. So this is the second problem from 8th question. And my dear children, in 11.1 6th question there, that is same as example 2 from before this 11.1 exercise.